Hi. How much jeepney?
13 pesos.
How much?
13 pesos.
13 peso. Okay, okay. So I will wait passengers. So need to wait passengers here. It's full of jeepney. Here, full. Hi.
Knows you.
Hi.
My son knows you. Do you too?
Thank you. Hi everyone, I will go to the perimeter road and I will use jeepney. Jeepney cost is 13 peso only. So it's not so far, 13 peso. To Koreatown also the same, 13 peso you need to pay. So I come back again, walk, and I will show to you way from perimeter road bar to Fields Avenue. So one way only use jeepney. So jeepney already full, I will go inside. 13, yes? Okay. So many old broken cars here. Toyota Celica. This Toyota, maybe old Toyota Corolla, I think. This is old Celica. Inside have bumper, back bumper. And this car, I don't know, Honda. Old Honda, maybe Honda Civic. Don't know, maybe Honda Civic, yes. What is this? Angeles City Expat Life. I don't know, hotel or what is? Sports bar. Okay, we can check. Sports bar. 300 meters ahead. Barber shop. Alea bar, I don't know. La Grande resident already. Angeles City Expat Life, where? Excuse me, do you know where is bar this one is? Straight or left?
Bar, what
This bar is Angeles City Expat Life.
The next corner and turn right.
Next corner, turn right.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Because in this is I think this side, but need to straight and right, okay? I see now. Right. This is parking La Grande Residence, another parking. And where this bar? Not easy to find. House for rent have. No, big house is good for parking. Parking have. Unit for rent. 3 parking only have. And they build, I don't know what, maybe apartments. This is building for rent. This one, Angeles City. What way entrance? This entrance, okay. Sports bar and restaurant. I don't know. We are open. From 11 to 10 p.m. Saturday close. And where I can check. It look like hotel lobby. Don't have people right now. Okay, I don't know, don't have people, I cannot ask. Open but empty. Maybe another time I come back. It looks as okay, good. Can park motor here. Hi. Excuse me, do you know about this bar? Already open or not?
It's open, sir.
Open.
Yeah.
Don't have people, only evening maybe more people. Or have second floor, you don't know.
Open.
Open.
Yeah.
I have a second floor, also have second floor.
Yes, you know.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Can? Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye. It's okay, I filming, not problem.
No problem.
Okay, I first time here. I want to see. Thank you. Oh, have billiard also.
We have golf tournament this 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. My friend maybe go to this place 6 o'clock.
Yes. Wala pa.
So I go, but now of course, now only 5. From 6 many people, okay? Okay. Third floor, can I sit? Third floor. Oh, here big space. Live band maybe evening.
We have pool table.
Table.
We have also buffet.
Mm-hmm.
We have
6 o'clock many tourists or many expat come here to
yes,
do
That's
6.
right.
Every Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday 6. Okay. I will show to my subscribers. My friend go to play billiard. Maybe you know Georgi.
Okay.
No, maybe not.
What's his name?
Georgi, George.
George.
Yes, George.
George. I know George. Go George.
Yeah.
The other one is good player.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I know him.
I think no, many people know him. He like billiard. But this place is nice. It's very close from the, but have solar panel also. But you have, it's only bar. Don't have any apartments here in this place.
No, we don't have apartment. Only restaurant. We do buffet, and then we have table tennis also downstairs.
Okay, okay. It's good place. And very close.
Do international buffet every Friday.
Every Friday. What time Friday?
Then 6 o'clock in evening.
Afternoon 6 o'clock. From start 6 o'clock Friday. But Saturday close.
Saturday, yes.
Only one day close.
Only one day close. It's day off.
Day off. Many people go to walking street, maybe bars. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Good.
And this is our
Have CR also. I will show CR. Light. A clean CR, good. And can take shower, maybe. No, close. You cannot take shower, of course, but it's good. Okay. Another. For tennis. It's good.
every hour 200 pesos.
200 peso 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour, okay. Nice place. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Someday I will come here with my friend.
We have also pool tournament tomorrow afternoon, 2 o'clock afternoon.
Afternoon Monday.
Then Tuesday we have Ladies League pool tournament also.
Mhm.
Then Wednesday we have also.
Okay.
Then Thursday we have money game.
Oh, well, good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
See you. Thank you. Duck, please mind your head. Duck. Okay, not duck. Okay. Good. You can rest here, drink also. Outside also good. So guys who live in the Angeles, you just come to this place and you can see your friends here. You can meet and know each other. Sorry, I cannot filming more time because copyright music. I'm worried if have music. Maybe I cut video because you know YouTube always not allowed music. But it's okay. I hope someone already understand me, because you know sometimes if you see mute don't have sound, it means YouTube cut with this part. Sorry about this. And thank you for watching. I will go to the perimeter road and will show to you bus. Maybe in another video you can watch if you want.